In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Hostgator Favicon from your website. Now, if your website has a default Hostgator Favicon that you'd like to replace with something a bit more personal, or simply give it a cleaner look, this is the right guide for you. So let's dive right into it. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to Hostgator's website. This is your main hub where everything related to your website hosting is managed. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have those handy. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostgator homepage. Next, locate and click on the Websites tab. You should see a list of your hosted websites. Identify the one you want to update and then click on Settings for that site. This section provides you with various configurations you can adjust for your website, but today we're focusing on one specific task. Once you're in the Settings area, look for and click on the Advanced tab. This will lead you to HostGator's Advanced Settings, where you'll have access to a variety of detailed tools that let you handle more technical adjustments. Now we want to get to the cPanel. Find and click on cPanel from the Advanced Settings menu. The cPanel is a crucial tool in website management. Here you can see and manage all the files associated with your site. Once in the cPanel, direct your attention to the File Manager option and give that a click. The File Manager is where all of your website files are stored and managed. It's like the File Explorer on your computer, but for your website. With the File Manager open, locate the search bar. In this field, type in Favicon and press enter. Doing this will bring up any files with Favicon in their names, making it easier to find what we're looking for. Look through the search results until you find public HTML favicon.ico. That's the default Favicon file you want to get rid of. Click on it once to select it. Finally, with favicon.ico selected, you have a couple of options. You can either rename it, download it as a backup before deleting, or simply delete it. If you choose to delete, confirm your choice when prompted. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Hostgator Favicon from your website. You can now either let your site go Favicon free or upload a new custom Favicon that represents your brand more accurately. It's always nice to have that extra bit of personalization for your web presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.